You protect what's valuable, like your equipment and what powers it. By using CAT filters and fluids, you ensure the longest possible life for your critical components, like fuel injectors, which can see longer life by up to 45%. But don't take our word for it. With the Performance CVA, you not only get CAT filters and fluids replaced by your dealer, but if your injectors have issues, you're covered. Ever had a faulty injector? You get less power, use more fuel, and run the risk of unplanned downtime or even engine damage. With the Performance CVA, you're protected by the CAT system design, from advanced filters with superior features to CAT injectors built and calibrated for your CAT engines. When it's time to replace injectors, the parts cost is covered by your Performance CVA. Plus, your dealer calibrates and programs the injectors with CAT software, optimizing their efficiency. Your injectors are protected. Your ownership is easy, and your equipment is ready to work. Ask your dealer about the Performance CVA today.